Hello, this is Billy Core from the Nostalgia Mall, and welcome to another Quickie video. And in today's Quickie video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of this Zoom fax modem. I found this for $3 at Goodwill in Winston-Salem yesterday. And normally, I could care less about these old dial-up modems. Usually if I get an old computer and it still has a dial-up modem in there and it's not attached to a sound card or anything like it is on a Packard Bell, I usually just junk them. I keep the computer but get rid of the modem. They're really not that useful these days on old computers, or any computer of that matter, because there's really not much you can dial into. I guess there's a few things, but for what I use these old computers for, dial-up modems, just all they do is just take up a good expansion slot that could be used for something else. So I normally get rid of these. So why did I pick this one up? Well, that's because as far as I could tell when I checked it at the store, this has everything in the box that came with it originally, and I figured it would make a pretty interesting unboxing video to show what's inside an old piece of computer hardware box. I'm just a jumble of words today, aren't I? But anyway, we're going to unbox this in a moment, but first let's take a look at the box. This is a Zoom fax modem. Send and receive fax and 2400 bits per second modem for the IBM PCN compatibles. 2400, that was pretty much the standard issue for modem speeds back in the 90s until about, well, I guess the late 90s when 56K took over everything. I remember our Packard Bell Legend 822 CDT, I believe it had a 2800, so maybe 24 is not the standard issue. Maybe it was 28. I'm just talking a bunch of babble and nonsense right now, probably. It says it includes MTES with P&E Express fax. Free over $275 in memberships, discounts, and connect time, including CompuServe, Dow Jones, and Genie. And it's another quality communications product from Zoom Telephonics Incorporated. This modem has RPI base v.42 BIS/MNP. Not sure what that means, but there you go. It has a 7-year warranty, which is obviously not good anymore, and it was made in the USA. And here's the back of it. You can pause this if you want to read the top there. Okay, it's Rockwell fax/modem data pump, whatever that means. I'm really not too familiar with modem tech terminologies, but I'm sure there are people out there that know this stuff better than I do. And hard drive required, I guess, for included software. And you can see right here that it's a 8-bit ISA card instead of a 16-bit that you normally see on 90s computers. So again, you can pause this if you want to read all the features. And we got a copyright date of 1992. So let's go ahead and open it up, shall we? Now, this is not new in the box, but as far as I could tell, everything is still in the box that would have come with it. Okay, got our styrofoam there. Is there anything left? Okay. Right here we got some floppy disk, including Comet for Windows. Not quite sure what that is. It has a copyright of 1995, so either this box is from 1992 and it was being sold in 1995, or this just didn't come with it originally. I doubt this rubber band is original, though. Ew. We got some custom floppy disk from the previous owner for WinFax Pro 3.0. To install from Windows Program Manager. Some instructions there. 3 disc right there. Manual for Comet for Windows. So pretty cool stuff right here, back in the days of dial-up, when you dialed into the internet and bulletin board systems. You know, I'm kind of sad to admit this, I've actually never used a BBS. When we got a computer, we went straight into America Online, so I missed the whole BBS scene. That's too bad. And the owner's manual for the modem. Bunch of technical garble here. Adjustments for the dip switches. There you go, some jumpers and all that good stuff that we used to have to worry about. And got a telephone cable right here. And the modem itself. It's quite heavy, actually. It has a little bit of heft to it. Has a copyright date of 1990 on the middle chip there. And there's all our jumpers we were reading about a while ago. And there's the front of it. And the back. Copyright 1991 there, so it's a mishmash of years. What am I going to do with this? Well, as I mentioned before, I could care less about these old modems. But since this is still in the original box, I'll probably include it on my display of boxed software and hardware from back in the day. So I figured that would probably make a nice little addition to that collection. So, there you go. That's the Zoom fax modem from 1992. With all of its original bells and whistles. Well, that went well. So, we'll see you for the next video. Until then, this is Billy Core, signing off. Thank you for visiting the Nostalgia Mall. If you liked what you saw, please like, subscribe, and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. You can also support me on Patreon if you would like. The link to all of these are down below. Until next time, this is Billy Core, signing off.